Africa.
Many people may share the same experience with Oscar. In foreign country, the sky is clear and blue. But in Hong Kong, the sky is blue and grey. Why is that? Is it because the air pollution in Hong Kong lead to a poor visibility? To find out this problem, we have conducted an interview about the visibility of Hong Kong. Okay, comparing the visibility today and the past, you think it is improved, no change or worsened?
Has worsened.
Oh, it's worsened. What are the three main reasons contribute to poor visibility?
The local and foreign emissions and the fog.
I see, okay. Okay, comparing the visibility today and the past, you think it is improved, no change or worsened?
No change.
No change, okay. What are the three main reasons contribute to poor visibility?
Foreign emission,
Yes.
fog,
Uh-huh.
and let me have a look. Wind direction.
Okay.
After 50 interviews, here are the results from the bar chart. You can see that most Hong Kong people think the visibility is worsened, and they think the four main reasons contribute to the poor visibility are local emission, foreign emission, wind strength, and wind direction. To find out whether their views are right or wrong, we need to do an experiment to verify the relationship between visibility and the suggested factors. The first factor is air pollution, which is derived from local and foreign emission. And the other two factors are wind direction and wind strength. Before the experiment, we have to figure out what the visibility and these factors actually mean, and how to measure them. Visibility, simply speaking, is the distance between you and the furthest things you can see. To measure it, we go to Central to take photos of Victoria Harbour. From the photo, we record the distance between us and the furthest building or island. How about air pollution then? According to the World Health Organization, air pollution is the contamination of indoor or outdoor environments by any pollutants that will change the natural characteristic of the atmosphere. In Hong Kong, the concentration of different pollutants are transformed into a scale called Air Quality Health Index, which will be used as our measurement on the seriousness of air pollution. Data of Air Quality Health Index can be collected from the website of Environmental Protection Department. And the data of wind direction and wind strength can be collected from the website of Hong Kong Observatory. In our experiment, we collect 30 days of data and perform analysis on the factors under low visibility to see if the public assumption is right or wrong. According to our data collected from February to March, we discovered that the wind direction is wrong to east commonly. In air quality aspect, the level of Air Quality Health Index in Hong Kong is commonly 4 to 5. From the graph, we can observe the decreasing trend between Air Quality Health Index and visibility. With higher Air Quality Health Index, there will be a lower visibility. When we focus on the relationship between visibility and wind strength, we can find that with increasing wind strength, the visibility is generally improved when it is below 10 kilometers.
Based on our experiment results, The characteristic of those data can be seen easily. Generally speaking, with higher wind strength, the visibility is also higher. But you may ask, why? To find out the reasons, we have invited Walter Chan, the professor from Monster University, to explain the principles and theories. Let's go!
Actually, low visibility is caused by white or brown haze accumulating in the air, and haze mainly comes from air pollution. In general, most of the haze is carried by wind from the haze is generated. There are 5 types of fine particles that form haze. Wind strength directly affects the concentration of these fine particles and hence the amount of haze formed. On the other hand, the visibility of Hong Kong is significantly affected by foreign emission. So, wind direction is an essential factor affecting visibility. In our investigation, we find that most of the air pollutants come from the left. This implies that when the wind blows from the west to the east from the air pollution source, the concentration of pollutant will adversely affect the local visibility. The reason is that when the concentration of particles is high, most light is absorbed and scattered. As a result, we cannot see a clear image and affects the visual range. When we observe the air quality health index, most of the days with lower visibility have a relatively high air quality health index. The reason is, in general, most pollutant will cause a lower visibility. But the pollutant which affects visibility is not exactly the same as the pollutant measured in air quality health index. Their value may not be exactly the same.
To recap, you can summarize the relationships between visibility and these factors. With higher wind strength, the visibility is also higher. With higher air quality health index, the visibility is lower, and its wind direction will raise pollutants concentration and lead to a poor visibility. These 3 results are in line with our general expectation.
Referring to your experience, your worry about the visibility is reasonable. We all hope that the air quality of Hong Kong will be improved for the sake of our beautiful blue sky. The professor from City. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.